In this video, we're going to show you how to install a NetBeez Linux agent, with the only prerequisite being that you have to be logged into the host either directly or via SSH. So first thing to do is go to the dashboard, go to the cog in the top right hand corner, and under About, you'll want to copy and paste these two lines of code, and then you'll switch over to your command line or terminal and you'll go ahead and paste it here. It'll go ahead and pull from our repository, download and install the Linux agent. It'll take anywhere from 30 seconds to a minute to complete the installation. And now it's pretty much done. It's going to go ahead and restart the agent process. And now what we can do is go over to the dashboard, go to the agent section, and give it anywhere from 15, 20 or so seconds. And what you'll see here is it'll appear generally at the very top with a default IP address. And what we'll want to do once we see it appears, we're going to want to go ahead and rename it. See, it popped up there. We're going to click on it. We're going to rename it. That way we can identify which agent this is. So we'll just call it Linux agent. You can see under the General tab, it automatically inherited the default test. So all you need to do is add it to other groups and you're good to go. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at success@netbeez.net.